When men till and toil the soil, with sweaty brow dripping down their chests, suffering and humming songs the hard field of daily bread, the hero always welcomes them. When women labor tireless in fields of daily bread, palm full of achy calluses, fatigue of the bone, the hero always welcomes them. When travelers travel vast spaces, crossing 7 hills and 7 rivers, thirsty as a deer tastes for a stream of clear water, the hero always welcomes them. When visitors arrive, bearing tidings, good and great, cheerful and joyous, handshakes of friendship with aromas of generous meals, the hero always welcomes them. Childbirth. The baby cry blasting the long moment of stillness with sweet baby smell filling the air. Women clap their songs and men sound their drums. The hero always welcomes them. When the elders meet, town criers going off announcements. Announcements arrive on time, the later comers are fine. The hero always welcomes them. The hero, like the sun, rises from the east and journeys the 4 cardinal points, the west, north, and south. When people are sad, falling down in deep despair, the hero comes like a messenger, emerges from the dark cosmic womb of sweat, yeast, and science, a sky fire. The hero comes with flashes of rising sun. Cheer up, my people, and resurrect their spirits from ashes like the great phoenix. Let the people rise, all wise men of the east and sages of the world, youth alike. In this land, upon the eastern sky, where the sun rises, no one can kill the hero spirit. No one can terminate our immortal ingenuity. Our spirit is lighter. Our mood is laughter. Our courage is higher.